Okay, now I've entered more subject teachers here. I've entered more subject teachers. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will limit it here. You know, this is not, it is not possible for you to have this number of teachers in the school. It will surely be more than this, and it will surely be more complex than this. But the one you need to know, computer can generate others by itself. It will generate it. You don't need to stress yourself. But the one you need to know, I will let you know now. Now, I've entered these subject teachers. Let me save it so that I can move on to the next step. Okay? Now, let me close this one. Now, what I need to do here is this. There are some subjects that computer cannot help you to generate. For example now, in a situation whereby you want to combine two subjects, you want to be doing three subjects together or two subjects together. For example, we used to pair in my own school, we used to pair chemistry and um CRS together. We used to uh we used to combine physics, financial accounting and literature together. You know, financial accounting and financial accounting, literature and physics. Physics for science, account for business and literature for arts students or humanities students. Okay, if you want to do that, computer cannot do that. So what you are going to do is that this is, you can see, this is chemistry, SS1 science, you can see it here. SS1 science, Mrs. Ayinde is teaching SS1 science chemistry. So click on it and move it to SS1 science. SS1 science, this is it, SS1 science. Put it anywhere you prefer, anywhere you think will be more suited. Don't forget that after this sixth period, there is break. So it will be advisable, don't put two periods, double periods in sixth and seventh. Sixth, after sixth period, there is break. So it will not be sensible for a subject teacher to enter this class and go and come back to that same class after the break. It will not be well, it will not be okay. So let me put it here. You can see double period. I've already set it in that place. In case you have not set it, there's no problem about that. There's no problem about that. Okay, now that is that. Now I want to pair it with chemistry and government. I want to pair it with government. Is this SS1? SS1 government. You can see the blue, you can see the green color. You can see you have to put it here. You put it here. Can you see that? Government for SS1 business and humanity. Then government again is because I did not do that one double. So you see now, I did it single. So you can see that. So while SS1 science are doing chemistry, SS1 business and humanity will be doing government. They will be doing government at that time. At that time. Assuming in a school whereby your science students are not, all of them are not in the same class. Assuming you mix them together. You have business students in SS1A, humanity students in SS1A. So how will you do that? You can simply do that by pairing them. You can pair them up here. You can pair them up. You will do that under teachers. When you are doing it here, you are going to do that there. If there is anyone with that scenario, you can let me know so that I will do a tutorial on how to do that. Yes, there's a way to do it. I will do a tutorial on that. Now, okay, let me do for the rest. For physics, where is physics? SS1 physics. Let's say I want to put physics here. Yeah, put physics here. Financial accounting, SS1. Yes, financial accounting, SS1. And which one again? Literature, SS1. Can you see that? Yes. Most of the English teachers or mathematics teachers, they usually prefer money. Money is preferable for mathematics and English. So assuming you want to do that, you don't want computer to generate that for you, you can fix it the way you want it. Okay, this one is for which class? Okay, this one is for JS1A. You can fix it the way you like. Okay, you can fix it the way you like. Hey, you will notice something here, that there is what? A red mark here. This red mark means that there's a clash. That means this English cannot stay here. Why? Let us find out. It means this is clashing with another subject, another period. Let's see. This is Sholademi. Let's check this place. Sholademi. Sholademi. Where is it clashing? Why is it clashing? Why? Um, Sholademi. Okay, remember this Sholademi, when we are doing it under teachers, remember, under teachers, this Sholademi, we have already instructed the computer that Sholademi will not be around on Tuesdays. Can you see that? On Tuesdays. I hope you can see that. It will not be around on Tuesdays. We have set it here. So fixing Sholademi on Tuesday, anywhere on Tuesday, it will not be available. It means, so when you see this red mark, it shows that you cannot put it there. It will not work in that place. So I hope you are getting it now. Okay. So I think based on what we have done, we can go on to generate our timetable. But before you generate your timetable, all these things you have fixed, if you don't lock it, by the time you generate your timetable here, the computer will help you to scatter everything. So it is better you lock it. So go to the one you want to lock, right click. When you right click, it will show lock. So lock it. So you have locked it now. You can see the sign here. So you do the same thing for everything. You right click it, right click and lock, right click and lock, right click and lock. Do it for all of them, those ones you want to actually lock. Okay, do it for all those ones you want to actually lock. So I want you to do this. So by the time you do it for all the subjects, you can, as the person that is doing the timetable, you may favor yourself. Sure, you get, assuming I'm the one teaching basic tech now, and I don't want my subject to fall on Wednesdays, I can fix my timetable manually, fix it manually and put it where I prefer, and lock it so that computer will not change it when it is generating the timetable. So when computer is generating it, it will generate the whole timetable. To generate, you can see start timetable generation. We have, so I will explain that in our next video. Okay, let me explain it now. I think we still have time. Let me explain it. There's nothing serious about this place. It depends on what you want. If you want it to be strict, you can be strict. Allow relaxation, you can be relaxed. I think normal. You can put it here, just leave it like this and start timetable generation. So it will generate everything for you. Though it is good to test the timetable, whether there is some issue there, you can test it before you start the generation. You can test it. So that is that about the video. So if you have any issue, let me know.